And a rip out to left center field. That'll be at least 2 runs and extra bases all the way to the fence. A stand-up double, and Northern Colorado continuing to load up the inning boxes with deuces. It's a 2 RBI double. Another base hit for the Bears. Should be the final 2 runs that were aboard. And it's 4-0 Northern Colorado here in the first inning. Cranks this one down the left field line, off the foul pole, and it's a grand slam for the Greeley Bears. Jazzy Longo, her second homer of the season. Top of the second, Bears up 9-0. And a high fly ball out to left field, out to the fence, and out of here. They got to have 1 before you can think about 9 in a 9-run comeback attempt. And Tara Vandewater, the sophomore in her first year in a Blue Jays uniform, has her team leading 3rd home run of the swing and miss, strike 3. So Drays has 2 strikeouts. She's got the last 5. The 0-1, base hit. Creighton's got another on the board. An RBI for Ella Dalton. Or 9-0 lead right out of the gate. He's got to learn not to be complacent here as it's up the middle through for another base hit. And it's an RBI single, and Creighton continuing to chip away at things. They've cut it down to 6. And it's a base knock out to left. Greenwood just gets the end of the barrel on that one and lets it do the work and splits the difference. The 3-1. Ball 4. And the loop around the bases. And we'll start settling down. Fly ball out to center field, and it is out of here. A grand slam. Mayhew does it again, her second home run of the afternoon. And just like game 1, it makes it a 1-run ball game again. The freshman from Elmont, Texas. Her 3rd career homer. If everything else happens the same, 9-7. And Creighton back in this game as that one's underneath the glove of Morales. Base hit, extra bases for Perez. Heading for second, not stopping there. And she's got a triple sliding in. Bunt laid down. They hold the runner at 3rd and allow Well, now they're going to start the pickle here at 2nd. And the run down to the tag, runner comes home, and we're tied, so it works out for Creighton. They baited the Bears into that one. Katie Walling runs down the tag. And then the freshman, Emma Bailey. And Creighton has said, not so fast. Let's turn this thing into a high-scoring shootout. Runner goes, throw there by West, and the tag out. Guyona gets caught stealing, and the Bears go down in order, although unorthodox, before the 2-1. Bunt laid down, fair, the throw, nope, they're going to not throw it. Indecision here by Nelson, runs it out to the circle. Trying not to let the go-ahead run home. They start the pickle here, continuing to look at first. Morales now allows Greenwood to take second, and everybody's safe. Outdone at the plate. We'll worry about the next one. Hard grounder knocked down by Hudson at the hot corner. Run scores, the tag at 3rd, not in time. And the play at 2nd, not in time. An RBI single for West, and Creighton has stormed back from 9-0 down to take a 10-9 lead here on the top of the 4th. Now the cleanup hitter in Kaylin Schultz, and she puts it into the alley. That'll score the final 2 here that were aboard. A 2 RBI double. An 11-0 run for Creighton. Liner and past the reaching glove of the second baseman, Walling. Vandewater dives into third. Puts runners on the corners, 2 outs for Creighton. Strike called, throw out to second. Throw back to home. And the delayed double steal works, and Vandewater scores to make it 13-9. And Walling drives this one out into left, and that one off the field, off the fence there, under the V of University, so it didn't matter. 2-1, 1-2. Walling says, give me RBI double, and the Bears down by 2 again. That's grounder and through for a base hit. And now playing in, and it's through the 5-hole there of Nelson, who was playing in front of the bag. If she was playing standard, probably would have been no problem. Instead, Northern Colorado, so I'll say West have second, but this a long fly ball out into right field, and it is over the fence again. And Kaylin Schultz adds 3 more on the board for Creighton. Her teammates welcome her home. She stops on the dish. Another payoff for Algrim. Fly ball to center, back to the fence. And it is out of here, out of the reach of KK Christie. And a solo home run from Mayhew. And what a start to the weekend for the freshman. She makes it a 6-run lead. Her 3rd home run of the day, 2nd of the ball game. And between the 3 home runs, and the swing and miss, strike 3. Looking for her second 0 in 3 innings. She's got it off speed, strikeout on the inside. Longo goes fishing for that one. Back-to-back strikeouts, and the Bears turned away here in the field. Travel schedule that the Blue Jays have to endure throughout the season, as it's a base hit down the third baseline for Schultz. The good throw in from left field by Guyona will hold the runner at second. In that middle weekend in March, the 13th through the 15th. Fly ball out to right field to the fence, and it's off the warning track. 1 more run in for the Blue Jays of insurance to make it 18-11. And Mayhew, with the 2 home runs in this game, adds a double and another RBI. 6 runs driven in for the freshman. Base hit past the diving shortstop in Francia. And that's another 2 runs for Creighton. And they've reached 20 on the scoreboard. First 2 outs here. A fly ball out to left and down for a bloop single in front of Guyona. So Smatter, Gilman, the pitch, the grounder to short, and it's a 3rd ground out to finish the inning. And from 9-0 down, Creighton storms back, and they go on a 20-2 run to steal this one away and take it away, running with it. And they'll get the Friday split here.